Hello and welcome to the TallTimber tutorial series. This is video number 2. In this video, we will be working with creating a named range in Excel. So I have here my input data. This is the spreadsheet I worked on in the previous video. And I need to create a named range data that includes the entire thing. That's all 9 columns, A through I, and each row that I want to import into TallTimber. So there are a few ways of doing this, but to start with, I'm going to select this whole range. So the easiest way of doing so, I will click and drag across my top 9 columns to make sure that just they are selected. And then on my keyboard, I can hold Control and Shift and then press the down arrow while holding those 2 buttons. And that will select everything down to the bottom row. Once we've done this, it's selected our entire data set, and I'm ready to name the range. So there are a few ways of doing this, and I'll touch briefly on each. One option would simply to be right-click and go down to Define Name in the list. If I click on that, it will show me the range that is referred to. That's A1 through I63. That's all 63 rows, and A through I is 9 columns. And I can type the name here. I won't do that quite yet because I want to show you a couple other options. Another easy one is to go up here in the upper left-hand corner where it says Name Box, delete the contents, and then type in Data. So this is at the point where we will name our range. The range needs to be named exactly Data, D-A-T-A, with no extra characters because TallTimber is looking for this specifically to identify what you want to import. So once I have data in the name box, I can simply press Enter on my keyboard, and now it's named Data. So if on the drop-down list of the name box I click on Data, it's going to select my range. I can test that again by clicking anywhere else, clicking Data, and then make sure all of my information is selected. The final option, if you would like to delete or change the range, is to go to the Formulas tab of Excel, and within here you should find the Name Manager. Going into the Name Manager, as you can see that's the name of it, we will find the named range data. Now if for some reason I want to edit that range, I can click there and change where it refers to or what the name is. And if I need to delete that so that I can create it in a different part of my worksheet, I can click Delete here. So that was going through the process of naming the range data. In the next video, we will work on importing this data set into TallTimber. Thanks for watching.